Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 2, How to Buy Domain Name Part 2. It is a continuation video of Part 1, and in this video, we are going to complete our payment process and learn how to successfully purchase a domain name, step by step. Let's continue. So now we are going to log into our PayPal account with PayPal email ID and password, and then click on Login button. It's loading my PayPal account, and here on top, it's showing me my exact billing amount. By default, PayPal account is already selected, so we are going to click on the Continue button. It is once again asking for our confirmation here. We are going to click on this button. Now we are back on GoDaddy's checkout page, and here in the right bottom, it is showing Complete Purchase button. Click on it. It will take a moment. So here, a pop-up appeared, confirming our purchase. They have emailed us the receipt on our mail ID, which we have inserted during checkout. Here it is. Now we have to log into our given email account. It's my Gmail ID here, so I'll go to my Gmail login page. Here, I will enter my Gmail ID and password and press Enter. As we can see, we've got an email from GoDaddy regarding our purchase. So let's open it, and here you can see they have provided us the details of our purchase with an option to view full receipt and an Access to Purchase button. Click on it. It will take us to our account on GoDaddy. Here it is showing us our purchase domain name and some additional details regarding it, confirming our purchase completion. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will show you step-by-step how to buy hosting for your domain name. See you in the next video tutorial.